Georgie, there's something in there. Go. What is that on the floor?
How is it in here?
I don't know.
How is it in here?
I have no idea. It's kind of strange.
It's not strange.
What is it? Why didn't you go pet it?
I can't go pet it. I can't go pet it. Can't go pet it.
What is it?
Oh, don't touch it.
Yep.
It can't go.
What is it?
How did it in here?
I have no idea.
How did it in here?
Maybe if you kiss it, it'll turn into a prince. Don't kick it. I said kiss it.
No. Can't do it. I can't go.
Why?
Look, another one. I want to look another one.
Look for another one.
Yeah.
We should probably put. Can you say bye-bye to the frog?
Yeah.
Hey, what are you doing?